It's Sin and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing something that I don't normally do. So if you guys want to see what it is, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Print Squad, today I'm going to be doing a decal, and it's not a huge decal, but it's a pretty decent size decal, and I will be doing a double layer on this decal, dual layer, just kind of trying something out because I haven't done this before, not with the big, the big vinyl like this. So y'all about to see another test and trial and error. If I mess up, I guess y'all won't see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut everything out and let y'all check it out. Y'all see it right here. It's supposed to be a dual layer, double layer. So what I have to do, the blue is going to be the bottom layer, the white is going to be top layer. But here's the thing, y'all. I don't have the clear transfer paper, so I'm going to be using what I have right here, which is the white transfer paper, and hopefully everything will work out. But if it do or don't, I guess y'all gonna get to see it, or y'all may not get to see this video, depending on how things go. So I'm gonna go ahead and move over here where I can have a better better little area to work with, and we gonna see what happens. I tell you what, I'm not gonna move because I forgot I rearranged, and that table, the big table that was over there, is not there. I'm using it for something else right now. So we gonna try to see. Hopefully I can get this thing to work out, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it because that's all I can do is try. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on it so you can check it out. All right, y'all. Y'all, I kind of did it. It didn't come out too bad. I think it's going to be usable. Let me show it to y'all. If y'all can see it through here, this is it right here. So, yeah, I actually was able to do it. And it wasn't as hard as I was thinking. But, y'all, guess what? I have to do 2 of these. So, I got to do 1 more. And hopefully, it'll be successful also. But once I do get this installed, I don't know if I'm installing it or if he's installing it. But once I get this installed, then I will let you guys check it out. Yeah, I'll try to get some pictures for you guys. But I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, and I'll let you know if it was successful or not, and then I'll end the video. All right, Prince Squad. Your girl was just coming back on here to let you guys know that I did get the other one done, and it was actually a little bit easier for me than the first one since I had actually went through it before. I'm going to show it to you. This is here it is right here. Hopefully y'all can see it. It's not lined up just perfectly. And then one of the stars, the blue star, I somehow weeded it off. So that's everything. But I mean, I feel like it's good enough. The other one y'all see is over here, right here on this table. Well, yeah, I just want to show you guys and let you guys know I don't really do decals, but for some reason I've been getting a lot of them. And that truck going by, but for some reason I've been getting a lot of them lately. So all this one was a truck number. I guess I'm going to charge $20 each since it's 2 different logos. I don't know, but if I gotta install them, that's gonna be an extra $10. So that's $40 for those, because it's double layer. And I don't know if my prices are right, y'all. I'm just kind of just going. I mean, that vinyl, that's old vinyl actually. You know, it's pretty much paid for itself over the years. Oh, my hair looking too crazy, y'all. I can't come back on camera looking like this. But yeah, so I guess I'm gonna charge $40 for these. But if I gotta install it, that's gonna be extra $10. You know, so hopefully he'll install it himself. I mean, it don't even matter. It's not hard to install. The hardest part is done. But just want to let you guys know that. But that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel and my other channel, go ahead and subscribe to both this channel and the T-Shirt Chick Live channel. And also you can follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV. You can join that Prince Squad group on Facebook. And if you're wondering where I purchased the supplies and equipment and everything I use in my videos, check down below this video because I have links for you in the description box. And I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in another video. Prince Squad out.